Good afternoon, guys. I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from the Lexis Company. Today, I'm going to discuss about the intelligence agency report on the terrorist activities cannot be disclosed under the RTI. The recently passed out by the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court recently held that the report and the dossier by intelligence authority on the terrorist activities cannot be disclosed under the Right to Information RTI Act if they compromise to sovereignty and the integrity of the country. The Justice Pratibha M. Singh said that the larger public interest in the protecting safety and surety and not disclose such reports. Report and the trust by intelligence authority related to charity activity which are subject matter of the investigation are bad and those cannot be disclosed under RTI, especially if they compromise the sovereignty and integrity of country. The larger public interest is in protection of safety and surety and not in disclose such report. The court held. The court made the observation will dismiss a petition by 20 Mumbai training blast case convicted, who is a death row. He sought a copy of the dossier submitted by the Maharashtra government regarding the investigation into the blast. Siddiqui also sought a copy of the dossier submitted by then Andhra Pradesh government in the year 2019 regarding the role of territory group India Mahidin in this blast. The petitioner filed a RTI application with the Minister of Home Affairs after a new report submitted in India Express in February 2017 revealed that innocent persons were falsely implicated in bomb blast cases. Siddiqui application was rejected by the ministry citing section 8 subclause A and clause A of the RTI Act, which exempted authorities from the disclosing information in the interest of the sovereignty integrity of India. The request regarding the details about the Andhra Pradesh police destroy was rejected on ground of unavailability. His appeal to appellant authority and then the Central Information Commission were also dismissed after he moved the High Court. After considering the case, Justice Singh noted that the fact that one particular investigation regarding a particular individual may have been concluded would not be manner means that all the investigations have concluded finally. The judge added that the Mumbai blasts were one of the worst terrorist attack on the India which lead to hundreds of deaths. Therefore, report destroy on the investigation can have a major bearing on India's surety, sovereignty, and dignity. On the one hand, the patent seeking assess this report on the basis of right of information be convicted in 7-11 bomb blast cases. On the other hand, the respondents are interested in safeguarding the safety of citizens and the security of country. The exemption under a section 8 subclause A of the RTI Act is enacted keeping in mind case of this nature. The court rejected the argument that detail can be made available to the petitioner because it related to his human rights. The right of innocent person would be prejudiced by the disclosure of the information and those disclosure of such information cannot be made on the plank of human rights. The court underlined it therefore dismissed the appeals. While dealing with another piece by the petitioner seeking access to a certain books in prison, the court directed the jail superintendent at the Nagpur Central Prison, where the petitioner is currently locked, to make a request book available to him within a 4 week. Thank you guys, listen to me.